Welcome to Pro Tools Expert, my name's Dan Cooper. In this video, I'm going to show you Round's Waves' new sub-harmonics generator plugin, Submarine. Now these styles of plugins are pretty good at synthesizing low-end energy in tracks that may have little or no low-end in the first place. Now this plugin is an absolute doddle to use. We've got two sub-generators here to play with that recreate sub-energy 2 octaves below the desired pitch. So sub -1 here, sub -2, a range slider below that we can use to choose the exact frequencies we want to generate as sub sounds. To the right of that, we've got a drive dial so we can saturate our new lovely low end, and a dynamics control to the right of that. Does what it says on the tin really for compressing the synthesized sub. Below we've got a mix blend control and output. Now what I'm going to do in this video is try to add a little bit more low end beef to an acoustic kick drum in a multi-track drum recording. Let's have a quick listen to what we've got. Sounds okay. Let's put the first sub -1 on. Widen the range and increase the amount. Play around with the range. Now, if you're not listening to this on a decent set of studio monitors or studio headphones, then you're not really going to hear the effect of this. Let's put the second sub in and find out if we can reach it a little bit lower. Let's play around with the mix control. Saturate it a little bit. Yeah, it's nice. Bring the output down a touch. Simple but effective. Anyway, for more information on Waves Submarine, do check out the Waves website. Go get yourself the demo and let us know your thoughts on this in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. I'm Dan Cooper from Pro Tools Expert, and I'll see you again soon.